So first power on the radio and connect the small battery. So red to red must be corrected and not burn it. Have to connect, lock it, push the wires inside, lock. So start first the light, SWA, front on, again rear side on, and for sound, left horn, right start engine. So when you drive to right, signal light, left, backward, forward, so spinning. Okay, so start the hydraulic, middle level, high level, middle normally enough, big arm, slow drop, quick up, bucket open, close, tilting. So for loading, push it forward, load and rise, unloading. Put it down, slowly drop, slowly up, and the power now is only at the middle position. So if for higher level, it's more power. Normally middle enough. If you want more power, you put high level. Okay, that's all.